How to create your own YouTube channel. So firstly go to youtube.com, then click sign in at the top corner. Now you just want to click create account and click for my personal use. And now you want to go through the steps of making your own Gmail account. Once you've signed into your Google account, now you want to go to studio.youtube.com. And it'll show a bunch of steps on making your channel name and stuff. You want to do those, and if it takes you back to youtube.com, then just search studio.youtube.com again. Now it'll take you here. Click continue, and what you want to go ahead and do now is you want to go to dashboard. Make sure you're in dashboard. Just click close to whatever pops up here. And you want to click upload videos. Now you can upload your first video, and then you can do the steps to make your channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Bye.